thought we'd drive quickly through Farragut.
I think that's how you say it.
Anybody from Idaho that's watching this, you can correct us if you like. It's Farragut State Park, largest state park in Idaho, it sounds like. Just wanted to come through and kind of see what it's like to camp here. They have a state park camping. We wanted a full hookup, and we needed to have the Wi-Fi for the week-long remote work that we had to do, so this was not an option for us. But normally we like to stay in state parks, but we thought we might just run through here real quick, just in case you are looking for somewhere else to stay other than an RV park like Silverwood or what have you. I did say that day pass $14 for non-resident, so boo.
Yeah. $7 if you're Idaho resident, $14 for non-resident.
And we also noticed, and Oregon's done the same thing, so I'm not going to complain about Idaho or Washington or any other state, but as any of you guys know that have been traveling out of state, they've doubled or tripled the rates for out of state visitors. It looks beautiful in here. Yeah. I mean, they've got trails for miles, walking trails, biking trails, mountain biking. I can see the camping down here, so if you turn right here, it looks like nice, beautiful pull-throughs, all concrete. Pretty fancy. Definitely a place that I would stay had I had a chance, but try to see if we can, see if we can get a brochure or something, maybe give some details about how many hiking trails and what have you. So it looks really nice though, for sure. That's quite the bug. You have fun over there?
No. Get out.
Did you get him out?
No.
We're running into big bug problems here in Northern Idaho. Once a World War II era naval training station, this 4,000-acre park now provides camping opportunities with 223 individual sites, 10 camping cabins, and 7 group camps. Located on the southern tip of Lake Pend Oreille in Coeur d'Alene Mountains of northern Idaho, Farragut State Park offers unique scenery, history, and abundance of recreational opportunities, including disc golf, a radio-controlled airplane field, fishing, hiking, biking, equestrian facilities, and World War II history. Don't miss the museum at the Brig during your visit. Fantastic state park. Awesome. Really wish we could have stayed here. I could see why there's only 5 people at the Silverwood RV Park. Yeah. Perfect for what it is, for if you need to be, I guess I didn't mention, this is probably a 10-minute drive from Silverwood. So this is another option. So if you don't want to stay in the RV park, which is right across the street, so you have access right to it, definitely highly recommend this park. It shows I have 2 bars, so we potentially could have worked here, but and it would have been probably half the price. Silverwood, $60 a night.
Although they said we're out of state, so it seems like they're doubling the price for out of state residents. So it's probably closer to 50.
Beautiful. Had we known we could work here, we definitely would do it. So just keep this place in mind if you are coming to Silverwood and you're looking for a place to stay. We can see why every single campsite here is full, and we're camping by ourselves.
Check this out. You can have multiple RVs in one spot.
Man, look at that. Yeah, look at these. Look at this pull through. And we don't get that much privacy in our state parks in Oregon, so this is super flat. Everything just looks fantastic. So kudos to these guys for doing a good job at their state park. Yeah, what I was mentioning is I could see why literally we have 3 RVs at the Silverwood RV Park when this is right down the road. Why would anybody stay there unless they want to be right at the park? And nothing against them. They're doing a good job of maintaining their RV park and what have you, but for the price and the fact that there's, you're not in nature like you are here, if that's what you enjoy, I would highly recommend you check out Farragut State Park. But anyway, we'll drive around a little bit more and see if we can give you any more tips on this place.
So one thing here is there's a lot of trees, so you're going to have shade. Because where we are at the RV park, there's
no trees. No. Yeah, Kim was working out in the clam tent today, and it got pretty warm. It was 80 some degrees, and which we talked about in our review on that clam tent. It's a great tent, but it's not the best for heat. It kind of traps in heat. So, and being back here, you'd have everything shaded, like almost every single spot you're in trees. So this would have been ideal for us having to work outside and what have you. So, okay, so now I wish I wouldn't have came here. Honestly, I mean, this place is unbelievable. We have a lot of nice spots to camp in the Northwest in Oregon where we're from. But this one's probably one of the nicest compared to Fort Stevens, probably, if anything, but just awesome. So we are on the Shoreline Trail, which is just one of their river access spots. And this river is unbelievably beautiful. It says it's a swimming hole, and I see some boats out there. And I cannot believe how beautiful it is out there. It's got to be the most peaceful river that I think I've ever seen.
So here we are on the map. So it shows we're at Lake Pend Oreille. We're at the very edge of it. And then that shows Farragut State Park.
Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed our little detour into Farragut State Park. That park is beautiful, awesome, so much to see and do. Whoa! Yeah, bumpy road. No, the road's actually really good. Anyway, a lot of wildlife. Saw some couple deer, 3 or 4, just in a quick little span. Awesome lake. People out boating, rowboating, paddleboarding. Beautiful lake. And then also disc golf, a lot of hiking, biking. Just a really cool state park. So again, if you can do it and you don't care too much about the internet access, which we're getting pretty good service here, 3 bars right now, nice. Just outside the park. So we could have potentially worked here again. We just don't know, right? So yeah, so hopefully when you guys come, the video might help you decide where to stay. We would definitely stay at the state park if we could do it again. Man, baby, look at that to the right. Wow, that is quite the city. Wow, we got some beautiful places here. They probably don't want me to tell you that because they probably don't want anybody moving here, but the city is Bayview, just outside that state park, and it's absolutely stunning. But anyway, all right, moving on.